Looking for a faster, easier, and cleaner way to prep your meals? Say hello to the Ukeetap 8-blade all-in-one vegetable chopper and Mandoline slicer, now trending on USA Amazon. This best-selling kitchen essential is a total game-changer for every home cook. With 8 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it slices, dices, chops, and juliennes your veggies in seconds. No more watery eyes from onions, no more mess on your counter, just perfectly cut ingredients every single time. The built-in 1.7-liter container keeps your kitchen clean and organized, while the non-slip base gives you total stability. It's made from premium, BPA-free ABS plastic, built to last, and totally dishwasher safe. Just toss it in for effortless cleanup. From onions to tomatoes to carrots, cucumbers, and peppers, this tool handles it all with ease. Make fresh salads, meal preps, or dinner sides in half the time. And here's the best part. This chopper isn't just practical. It's a must-have kitchen gadget loved by customers everywhere, with a 4.7-star rating on Amazon USA. If you love cooking, or even if you don't, this product will make your kitchen life so much easier. Compact, powerful, and super handy, it's the #1 food prep assistant every home needs in 2025. So what are you waiting for? Click Buy from Amazon USA and get your Ukeetap vegetable chopper today. Perfect gift, perfect tool, and the best kitchen product you'll buy this year. Don't miss out. Stocks are going fast. Watch, click, and buy now on USA Amazon before it sells out again. Ukeetap 8-blade vegetable chopper. Smart, safe, and simply the best. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome product reviews and tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.